Hey guys, Jeffrey here. Here it is, October already, and I know everyone says it, but summer really did go by super fast this year. And as usual, I'm not too happy about it. So let me go out in the yard and I'll show you just a little bit of what October looks like around here. Out in my backyard, everything did great this past summer. All the plants grew really big and all of the flowers are still actually blooming. I did have a few casualties due to squirrels digging around, including a big coleus over by the fence in that terracotta pot, and the 4 concrete pots way back that I talked about in a previous video that I caught birds destroying. Other than that, it's been a pretty peaceful summer around here. My grill cover that I upgraded to a plant and hanging basket area is still going strong. Those ferns got humongous in those big planters, so I'm thinking those might be a repeat next year. All of the begonias of different colors did great too. One of my favorites is this jade coleus that did great. I have a few of those around. I bought so many begonias that I ran out of pots, so I caught myself using a lot of smaller ones in storage just to fill any gaps. That fern got so big that I can't see the pot anymore. They're all the same variety called Queen Kimberly. The sedums got so big that they're flopping over and are one of the older ones that I have. And then there's another one there. The spike plants did excellent, including this one in the middle of the yard, surrounded by more sedum. Weather-wise, it's been perfect this summer. Not storming a lot or any strong winds coming through, as I live in a valley, so it seems to be worse here than it is in other areas. It's actually 80 degrees today, and it is beautiful. I love it. My new trellis withstood the summer, and I think it looks good there. I might move it around until I find a permanent spot so I can grow vines or something on it. The oregano that I planted from seed did excellent. I've cut on it a few times and I've used it to cook with, and I got enough to fill another large spice jar for future. Then on my front stairs, the ornamental cabbages are loving life. I did have to spray them for budworms that I caught eating on the leaves, so they're doing great now. The front flower bed in front of my bushes are putting on a great show. The impatiens and begonias are doing so well that I'm not going to change them out for any fall plants this year. They're predicting cooler weather next week, so I'm just going to let them live it up and I can enjoy the show. And here comes the cooler weather. First frost tonight, so I brought them all up on my front porch so they'll be covered. Just my way of holding on to summer as long as I can. And as far as Halloween decorating, I usually try to lean towards fall decorating, and I really didn't do much out here this year as I've been out of town, and I really didn't want to deal with them too much. Halloween is next week, so hopefully all of you will try and stay away from the candy.
This is not a dream.
And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.